Hi guys, it's Nunu. Welcome back from spring break, and here we are in creative writing. And I found this beautiful window motif for us to put on our bulletin board in keeping with our class theme of looking through the window, taking us through in our writing. Okay, let me maximize the screen and view what we have here. You are listening to and watching my week 10 note. And we have a link to our Week 10 work and modules, April 8th through the 14th. Discussion 7, we're doing Leigh Hunt's 1838 poem, Jenny Kiss Me, and Charles Bukowski's 1983 story or narrative poem, The Most Beautiful Woman in Town. And as always, I have office hours here. Okay, so I'm going to go up here and click on the link, 2 modules. These links down here will take you into the works. So I need to click up here. And here we are in week 10. This is our discussion. You just need to click on it to begin work. Okay, and as always, remember that I'm here in inbox. You're never emailing me too much. You're never bothering me. I love to hear from you, especially to collaborate on stories to find out what you're up to. Okay, let's have a great week.